So in this video we are going to discuss the question from Junior Mathematical Olympiad. We'll try to solve the question number 1. The question number 1 is, so there is a figure. So this is the figure. So in this figure A and B. So A and B are two squares, and each side of the square A is given 5 cm and each side of the square B is given 8 cm. And in the question it is asked to find out the area of the sided region. Okay, so let us solve this question. So how can we solve this? How can we find the area of this triangle or the sided region? To find this area, first we need to find the area of the complete figure, means the total area of this figure, means the area of the square A and the area of the square B, total figure area. So after finding the area of the total figure, if we find the area of this triangle, and area of this triangle, and the area of the third triangle, and if we add, then we'll find the area of this yellow color portion. Alright, so after finding the area of this three triangle, means the area of the three yellow color portion, then if we subtract the area of the yellow color from the total figure, then you can see the area of this triangle will remain. That means to find out the area of the sided region or area of this triangle, which is here in this figure, it is black color. So first you have to find out the total area of the figure. From that, if you subtract the area of these three yellow color, means area of these three small triangles, then only you can find the area of the black color triangle, which is asked in the question to find out the area of the sided region. So let us see for the total area. First, the area of this small triangle. So we know that the area of the square is side square, so it will be 5 square first, plus area of the big square. So big square, each side is given 8 cm, so this is 5 cm and this is 8 cm. Alright, so it will be 8 square. Then the total area will be 5 square is 25 plus 8 square is 64. If we add this 25 plus 64, it will be 89. This is 89 cm square. This is the area of the total figure. So after finding this, then we have to find the area of this three triangle. Area of this three triangle: first triangle, second triangle, this is third triangle. So let us first find area of the first triangle. In the first triangle, okay, so you know that this is 5 cm, this is 8 cm. So area of the first triangle will be, since it is a square, you know, the four sides are in equal length. So this is 5 cm, and again this is 5 cm. So area formula is half into base in height. So base is 5 and again height is 5, so it will be 25 cm square, 25 by 2 cm square. In the same way, area of second triangle. Second triangle means this triangle. Okay, so here since this side is 8 cm, so this length will be 8 cm, and the total, see here, this total length is 8 cm. So out of that you can see this portion is 5 cm. So the remaining will be 3 cm. So this is 3 cm. Okay, so the area will be half. The base is 8 cm into the height is 3 cm. So the area will be 24 by 2 cm square. Okay, so now we have to find out the area of the third triangle. Now the area of the third triangle. See, third triangle, this is 5 cm, this is 8 cm, and this is again 8 cm. So the total area, to find the area of this total, means the area of this triangle. So again half base into height. Now its base will be 5 plus 8, that is 13 cm, and its height is 8 cm. If we multiply 18 into 3, that is 104. So 104 by 2 cm square. Now the area of the yellow color portion, means area of the three triangle, we can find out. So area of the sided region is equal to total area minus areas of three triangle. Right, so total area we have already got 89 cm square. This is 89 cm square minus sum of the three areas. You can see the first area is this one, 25 by this one, 25 by 2. The second one is 24 by 2. This is 25 by 2 plus 24 by 2 plus the last one 104 by 2. If we solve it, this is 89 minus, if you add this 3, 25 plus 24 plus 104 by 2. If you solve it, it is 89 minus, if you add 25 plus 24 plus 104, it will be 153. 153 by 2. And again if you subtract it, then 89 into 2, it is 178 minus 153 all divided by 2, it will give us 25 by 2 centimeter square. So the area of the sided region is 25 by 2.